Data processing is an important and essential aspect and a stage of professional research projects to have a well-managed data set and to use properly in the process of data analysis. Actually, when we collect data for our research projects through the use of different aspects and methods of data collection, maybe through the use of interviews, observations, or through the distribution of the survey questionnaires, prior or before the exact or practical analysis of the data, we have to process the data, we have to transform our data to our unmanaged data to a well-managed set of data to be used helpfully and properly in the process of data analysis. The first step in one of the most important steps of data processing is data correction. When we collect data from different participants in the different times throughout maybe a particular amount of time, besides the collection of clear, correct and helpful data, we may collect some incorrect data or maybe some data which requires minor corrections. That's why, first of all, we have to assess our data and categorize our data to the correct and useful data, to the incorrect and unrelated data, and also to the group of data which needs some minor corrections. Actually, when we correct the data, we have to be careful that we cannot change the answers, or our corrections must not undermine the answers of the participants. But sometimes, if incorrectly, if a male choose female option incorrectly, but we know he is a male participant based on his background, we have to correct that. We can correct that. And after data correction, we have to code the data, because it's very important. When we collect a huge amount of data, we cannot use whole parts of the data directly in our data analysis, in our discussion and conclusion. That's why we have to code the data, and through coding we have to find the exact categories in themes, because when we code the data and when we find the exact categories in themes, this procedure helps us to minimize the level of data based on our demands and based on the exact themes and categories of our research questionnaire and our research questions and our research aims. And also, we have to minimize the data through the use of coding procedures and also categorization of the data based on the practical aspects of our research project and based on the demands of our research question and research aims. And after that, when we process the data and when we change the data from an unmanaged data to a well-managed set of data, we can start the data analysis procedure, which is a very important and a skill requiring a stage of whole professional and real research projects. That's why we have to always apply the step and procedure of data processing in our data to manage our data, to transform our data from an unmanaged level of data to a well-managed set of data to be properly used in our data analysis procedure, in our discussion and conclusion. And we have to choose all aspects of data collection procedure, data processing procedure analysis correctly to answer well our questions, and also to have a helpful contribution in the literature review and help other people to use our findings clearly. I'm Dr. Abdul Qahar Sarwari. If you think such videos are helpful, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.